Now I will show you how to do the program of the remote control and the app. Let's plug the power first. Now program the remote control. Please make sure the positive is face up. Long press the program button. Okay. Yes, it's fresh here. It means it is programmed already. Close. Open. Stop. Now let's program the mobile app. Press Tuya app. Plug. Choose a small home application. Slide down to get the Wi-Fi curtain. Please make sure this is 2.4 GHz. Now press here. Short press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then keep pressing until it flashed. Okay. Now here, please wait a little.
Ten.